How to choose clinical specialization after your medical graduation. Hello, my dear friends. Are you medical student or an intern, or maybe you are just pursuing your PG entrance exam and you want to choose, or you want to know, you want to decide which clinical specialty you should choose after your uh, medical graduation completion. So if you want to answer, looking for answer for this, then this is the right video for you, where I will give you step-by-step approach how you can choose intelligently the field and the career that you want to create for yourself. My name is Dr. Nitin, and I help medical students, aspirants, and interns not just only to design their career, but to build and create that career for themselves. So, if you also want to build that career, subscribe to this channel where I share various tips, tutorial ideas, strategies to design and build that career in your medical field. So, without further delay, let's get started with today's topic about how you can choose your clinical specialization after your medical graduation. So, to get this, I would request you to take pen and notebook along with you and follow this exercise step by step as we are progressing. I, I hope you have taken the pen and paper or pencil and now you are writing. You can do this activity right now. You can refine it as you can watch this video again, you can give a thought. But for now, just follow the pace and do the steps as I am guiding you. So you need to ask a question to yourself. What is that I love? If you know answer to this question, write down that question answer in your notebook or paper. See, usually what happens, the students, they are not clear about what kind of medical work they want to do. They are just inspired by the monetary or the financial value or the potential aspects of the specialization, but they are not really passionate about their career or that clinical specialty. So for this exercise is going to help you. So I hope you have answered the question, what do I love? See, there might be thousands of things that you might be loving, but you need to choose something which is very close to your heart because you want to work in your clinical specialization for your rest of life. And if you don't love that field, you're not like sooner or later, when you start earning money and in very short period of time, you will get bored with your clinical specialty, and then you will start questioning yourself why I choose this clinical specialty. So that's why I asking you this question. Write down, what do I love? So let's move to the next question, which is, what am I good at? You need to answer this question. See, it depends. This question you can answer based on these three parameters. What are the skills, knowledges, and experiences that you are good at? So you have to choose, like, are you good at medical side or the surgical side? Are your diagnostic skills better? Okay. So it does not stop over here related to just your clinical skills, knowledge, or experience. You need to consider your personal attributes and professional attributes also. Let me explain this. So personal attribute will include the communication skill, the interpersonal skill, the people's management skill, because these skills are your personal attribute. These are, you might have good domain knowledge, you might have good professional knowledge about your clinical specialty, the subject that you want to specialize in. But if you don't have those communication skills to communicate with your patients, so that specialty may not help you. So you need to consider the personal attributes, like what kind of person you are. So you can write down those attributes, and once you are done, let's move to the next question. The next question is, what can I be paid for? See, in today's world, you can get paid for any kind of skills, knowledge, or any kind of like services, or if you have any products, you can get paid for anything. But you need to consider this factor along with other factors, what I'm going to discuss today, and the question that I already discussed with you. So it's a combination of this factor that will give power to this aspect. If even if you feel you are passionate about particular field, and if you think that you will not be get paid for that kind of business or that kind of clinical specialty, I invite you to turn your passion into business. And if you want to learn that how you can turn that passion into your business, I want and I request you to subscribe to this channel. As I mentioned in the beginning of video, I share various tips, tutorials, strategies for various clinical specialties and how you can grow your skills and career and increase the career potential. So for that, you need to subscribe to this channel so that in future, if you get any new latest video update, you will be notified. So press that bell icon also. So I hope you are clear till now and you are writing in your notebook. So the next question is that you should answer is, what does the world need? So what the world may need thousands of things, but how you will choose what is aligned with you. So how you can figure out is that what the world actually needs is the world facing any, or the people facing any problems, any health problems that you want to solve. You need to choose particular selected. You cannot work on all the health problems in the world, because if you start working on all the health problems, you will not be able to go into depth of the problem. Your knowledge, your skills, your experience will be very superficial, and in long term, it may not be viable for your financial growth. When it comes to the need and the wants of the people, there is slight, like very thin margin difference between this need and want. Let me explain you with the example, because you need to find out what people need and what people want. So let me give you one example. Somebody who is having BMI of more than 30, he needs to lose weight. He needs to reduce his weight, but he might not want that. He might be happy with whatever his body's type is. I'll give you another example. There might be some beautiful lady or a young girl who might be already beautiful, but she still want to do some plastic surgery. So she does not need plastic surgery, but she want it. She might just need to increase her confidence and self-belief, but she's wanting to go for plastic surgery. So that's why you need to understand these principles. So if you have already answered all of these questions, now you can try to match these things, and you will be able to find out what exactly is that you love, what is that you are good at, and what is the one skill that you will be get paid for, and what is the problem or the need or want you want to solve or satisfy. This will give you the answer to your question, which clinical specialization you should choose for. Because when you have answers, which is a matching all these aspects, it is something which is going to be sticking with you for forever. for your rest of your life. That passion will not just give you financial uh, freedom, but it will give you a passion, a sense of fulfillment, a sense of satisfaction. You will be always be excited to work with your patient. You will not get bored. And if you think this video has helped you, please give a like to this video. Your like will help this video to reach to other students, other medical students, other medical interns who need help into this. You can share this with your friends so that they also get clarity about their career, what kind of clinical specialization they should choose. And if you have any questions or any doubts that you want to clarify, you can ask those questions in the comment section. And if you feel confident that you have got what you want, I request you to let me know in the comment section what is the clinical specialty that you want to choose and why do you want to choose that. So let me know that in the comment section. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Dr. Nitin, and I'm signing out for this tutorial. I will come with another topic which will help you build and create the career of your dreams.